So, we have Fiona here in the house, right? So, Fiona, look, it's amazing. Thank you for taking time out to be with me today to share with us your win, which is that you've been able to set up in quite record timing your funnels to driving leads. So, just tell me about that, that experience. Yeah, just tell me more about that, really.
Well, I'm at the point now in my business where I've been sidelining and playing small for quite a few years. I've picked up a lot of knowledge, like basics with the tech and such, but I was really determined. I needed to get my business up and running and to be seen and do the work that I love. And I found that the videos actually, they were very, very simple to follow. I would watch, pause, go do it on another screen, go back and do it. And so I I really followed that mentality, take it step by step, follow absolutely everything that was put in front of me, and it literally did fall into place. And I just stayed calm, stayed focused. Whenever any hurdles I came in, like I did come across a couple of hurdles, but I took a step back, went over like the mindset work and went back at it step by step,
Mm,
reviewed a video, and I came to this program already knowing who I wanted to serve and having done some background work getting to know my client. I put myself in their shoes. So if you know your client and put yourself in their shoes, the program literally creates itself. I didn't have to think, I just do
amazing,
at this
amazing,
stage.
amazing. Okay. And so to accomplish all this, I mean, really, where were you before joining COA in regards to setting up anything, systems, all of it?
I was fortunate in that I had used like certain I had a mail delivery service like a newsletter, and I had my social media accounts up. So I had a general following, not a big one, like I'm talking like small followers, but I already had my Instagram, Facebook, and such set up in a newsletter. So I understood that nurturing community.
Mm-hmm.
But as for actual lead generation, it wasn't happening. I was posting every day. I was on
Mm,
YouTube every day, doing readings and connecting with people. And I had a lot of connections, but it wasn't going anywhere. There wasn't any purpose or focus.
yes.
So that's where I was before, because I was getting feedback from people saying, I love your work. You have a lot to offer, but it didn't go anywhere. So
Mm-hmm.
that's where I was.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So big difference now on the roll.
That
For you, what have you most enjoyed about COA thus far? Like with us, some people say that it's the process. So, it's the main programming, it being easy to follow with step-to-step kind of modules. Others say it's the support that we are, there for you every step of the way. Here to answer your questions, whether it's in the group or on the live clinics, or some people say it's the assets. So, the funnels, the templates, ad copy, the closer process, etc. What's been the best part? What have you enjoyed the most?
honestly, you've actually touched on all of it. I have been in a variety of programs in the past, and they have touched on parts of what this program offers. This program actually has everything. I
Mm,
came in with a strong sales background. That's what I did my muggle life per se before I went into this kind of life.
mm-hmm,
Um, but I love the sales process and how they break it down, because I have seen success with that in my old life, and they brought it here and it's very, very manageable and digestible. I love that. I love the the programs are high quality that they recommend. Like the sales funnels and such. I've heard a lot about these companies, but I never stepped into it because that's what the big people use. But this is doable. It's simple. It's
mm,
literally turnkey.
yes.
So I found that, and the support was so fast. Like I'm so used to waiting like 5, 6 days to get a response or a green light on something. I had something the next morning. I went to bed with a bunch of material in the group. Morning feedback, I could put it into action, which is what we need to get a business going. So
Yes.
I found that amazing. And the last thing
Incredible.
I want to touch on is the overall mindset. It is, as much as it's a go, go, go push mentality, it's out of compassion and service. And you don't see a lot of that. You see a lot of you usually see a lot of like either a lot of sales or you see a lot of people pull back and a lot of feelings and healing time. This is
Mm,
a good balance of both, a very, very healthy balance of both.
amazing,
Yeah.
amazing, 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 incredible. So for you, what would you tell someone who was thinking about joining COA then?
If you are committed and you're ready to serve and get going with your business and get out there and do the work that you want to do and live the life you want to live, this is the program for you. This includes everything.
Incredible. All right. So look, um, been great, Fiona. Let's wrap up with a big thank you, for from myself, just for you being here, really, So again, you took quick action, like it was like really, really fast getting the systems in place for you. Moving forward, I'm really excited for the rest of your journey, really, right? So we just now need to wrap this up and now start really spreading our message into markets that we can then start attracting in those clients. So really excited for that. Super pumped for you. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.